If you're thinking about switching to a more private email, Proton Mail is one of the biggest names out there. But is its famous free plan actually good enough to use, or is it just a tease to get you to pay? Let's break it down to 100% honest review. Is it good for you? Let's start with the core offerings. We have first, what do you actually get for free? The fundamentals are solid and importantly, they don't change. For example, you get end-to-end encryption. This is a big one. Your emails are encrypted so only you and the recipient can read them. Proton can't access your data. 2, you get strong privacy. Based in Switzerland, which has some of the world's strongest privacy laws, they don't log your IP address or sell your data to advertisers. 3, you get 1 gigabyte of storage. This is enough for thousands of emails, but you need to manage it if you get a lot of attachments. Then you also get one email address. You get one email address like your name at protonmail.com, and you cannot create additional separate aliases. You can also get an email that has at proton.me at the end. So, next you get limited support. You have access to community forums and a knowledge base, but not priority ticketed support. The core package is genuinely valuable and remains the best free offer in the secure email space. But what don't you get? That is the limitations. This is where you decide if it is good enough for you and you should use it. 1, you get, like I said, limited storage. That's 1 gigabyte or 500 MB, depends on if you're using the updated version. The 1 gigabyte is small compared to giants like Gmail, so it actually forces you to be tidy, but heavy users will hit the cap quickly. Then, number 2, the second limitation is that you get fewer labels and folders. You are restricted on how you can organize your mail. Power organizers will definitely feel this. Then 3, there's no Proton Drive, calendar, or VPN integration in the free plan. It does not include this. So you cannot easily encrypt files from Drive in an email. For example, you can't do that with the free version. Then, one email address. This is a big one. You cannot create aliases for signing up to newsletters or online stores, which is a key privacy tactic. So you definitely feel this if privacy is really important to you. Then lastly, you get limited number of messages per day. There's a daily sending limit, usually a few hundred messages to prevent spam. It is high enough for 99% of personal users, but the privacy limit is still there. Message limit is still there. Essentially, the free plan is an excellent personal secure inbox, but it's not designed to be your entire productivity suite. So, who is it actually good for? It is actually for specific users. You see, it is perfect for someone who wants a primary, secure email for personal communication, sensitive logins, and to break free from data harvesting giants. It is the best free introduction to encrypted email, period. But it's not for you if you need to manage multiple projects, if you need tons of storage for large attachments, or want to fully replace Google ecosystem with Protons for free. The free plan isn't a trial, it's a fully functional permanent product. Its purpose is to let you experience core privacy features, hoping you will eventually upgrade for more power.